Today, we have all of the information, including the first benchmark, about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will have some significant design modifications as well as some stunning new technology. According to recent information, Samsung will finally make improvements to the battery, one of the weakest components. The Galaxy S24 Ultra and maybe the S24 Plus will soon have stacked batteries, according to RG Cloud's tweet, which would result in significant gains. In electric vehicles, stacked batteries are used, and they not only allow for an increased battery capacity while maintaining the same physical size, but they also allow for increased charging speeds. Analysts are predicting that the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra could be upgraded to 65-watt fast charging. We have a cryptic tweet from Ice Universe where he tweeted the periodic table along with the number 22, which is obviously titanium. Further down the thread, he also confirms that he was talking about the S24 Ultra, and he is saying that Samsung is finally going to replace the aluminum frame on the phone with titanium. This will not only increase the phone's durability but also make it feel more premium and nicer to hold. The Galaxy S24 Plus has a leaked benchmark on Geekbench 6, and it received an amazing score of 2,233 for single core and then 6,661 for multi. The benchmark is also for a USA variant, and it confirms that it will be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, though not everyone will receive it. There have been several reports that Samsung will be switching back to Exynos for the Air series this year, but it now seems that the UK and Europe will have the Exynos 2400, while the USA and South Korea would receive the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 instead. The Galaxy S24 Ultra won't include a new 5x zoom camera, contrary to prior speculations. Instead, it will continue to use the 3x optical zoom. You may be upset to see that the rest of the cameras are staying the same, but it does seem like we could be getting some updates to the 10x telephoto camera. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.